Sometimes in the tough world of sports, you can come across true acts of kindness. It can be foregoing a win in favor of the opponent, an inspiring meeting, an unexpected embrace, and even saving a life. Watch this video to see for yourself. 3-year-old Haidar Mustafa lost his parents as a result of a terrorist attack in Lebanon. When he was brought to the hospital, he was wearing a Real Madrid kit. Just look at the boy's response when he met his idol, Cristiano Ronaldo. During the 2014 Olympics, Russian skier Anton Gafarov broke one of his skis during the freestyle sprint. But watch what happens. Canada's cross-country ski coach Justin Wadsworth rushed to the course and changed the Russian athlete's ski. And Belarusian sambo wrestler Stepan Popov carried his defeated opponent from Azerbaijan to the locker room after the latter injured his leg. This boy really wanted to meet soccer player Lionel Messi, but was sent away by security. But look what happens next. And here's what happens when you are given your idol's sneakers, especially when they are size 16. A regular baseball cap instantly increased in value after it was signed by Zlatan Ibrahimovic. A boy named Samuel suffers from cerebral palsy, but that doesn't stop him from enjoying soccer. In fact, he is a huge fan of Manchester United. Just imagine how happy he was playing at Manchester United Academy and meeting soccer stars Zlatan Ibrahimovic and Paul Pogba. British athlete Johnny Brownlee was 700 meters away from becoming a world champion in a triathlon, but due to a heat stroke, he was on the brink of fainting. His brother Alistair helps him reach the finish line and pushes him over the line, giving up second place and claiming third place himself. Sometimes bad luck can turn into good fortune.
Selfie too. Nachos, get him in there.
What a country.
And motorbike racer Jeremy Durst staged a fall in order to propose to his girlfriend. Once she recovered from the shock, she gave her answer. Sometimes humanity prevails over competition spirit. Watch how carefully Steven Adams saves his opponent from a terrible fall, sacrificing points as a result.
He tries to hold him up, Steven Adams.
Third team foul, Plumlee.
And sometimes all it takes are the right words and unwavering support. This Karate Kid was struggling to deliver the final blow. But take a second to listen to the way Sensei and the others cheer. And here's how Athletic Bilbao showed their support for a teammate suffering from cancer and undergoing chemotherapy. All team members shaved their heads as a sign of solidarity. A high school football team also said goodbye to their hair as a way to support a 4th grader battling cancer.
Really? Like they're gonna do it all for me. It's just amazing.
I like my hair, but it's for Braden, so it's good for all of us.
Honestly, it'll grow back, so I don't see any point in keeping it here. Shave it off, right?
This high school cheerleader personally received support from the school football team who learned about her leukemia diagnosis. And tennis player Rafael Nadal stopped a match when a woman lost her young daughter in the crowd. Occasionally, to carry on fighting on equal footing, one has to put their opponent's dislocated shoulder back in place, just like boxer Pat Tsapelia had to do. And here's a chance meeting between the Detroit Lions team and their 2-year-old fan. It looks like he quickly became their favorite. This little boy ran out to the playing field after the final whistle, hoping to take pictures with the Brazilian national team. Stewards nearly took him away, but the players intervened and decided to share their victory with the boy. One of the fighters in the ring could not defend himself properly, so fighter Mike Petanco decided to stop the fight himself as opposed to causing further damage to his opponent. And this guy deserves his own marathon award. 84-year-old Italian granny can't handle running a marathon, so she was handing out high fives to all the runners. She was awarded a medal from Ravenna Runners Club in recognition of her inspiring efforts. A 50-year-old Miami Heat fan, a computer tech guy, hit an incredible hook shot from half court to win $75,000. Just look how much joy his win brought to basketball player LeBron James.
What did he do to get a hook like that from LeBron James?
When the reporter is your girlfriend, the live interview is bound to succeed.
Madre mía. Bueno, pues.
And this birthday girl came for her present and got a hockey puck. Tennis player Novak Djokovic demonstrated extraordinary observation skills when he spotted one of his spectators faint in the middle of a match.
Doing his bit. It is for this gentleman here.
It appears Novak likes kind gestures. In this footage, you can see him sub for a ball girl. And here, Djokovic arranged an adorable get-together with his fan under an umbrella.
Mate, we've tried lots of sports, but I think it's time we take it back to tennis.
And for this fiery workout with Paralympian Dylan Alka, Djokovic tried his hand at wheelchair tennis.
Oh my God.
Hugs. Good man. You gotta move though. You ready? You gotta move. You gotta move. You gotta move.
And now you're seeing the fight between Isaac Marquez and the UFC legend Diego the Nightmare Sanchez. They became friends after Isaac visited the MMA just to watch his idols, and it was noticed by Sanchez, who decided to coach him. Later, Sanchez decided to arrange his friend's debut fight. Who do you think won? And this is the moment when the KSW middleweight champion Mamed Khalidov gave away his championship belt. This child handed his drawing to the Ferrari pilot Sebastian Vettel, in which Vettel is pictured as the winner. The German driver hung up the young fan's artwork in his garage. And this video isn't shot in slow motion. It's just a greeting from a Harlem Globetrotter. Sometimes all you need to be happy is to be noticed by a hockey player. Biathlon athlete Daria Domracheva accidentally stepped on her competition's ski pole. When her opponent lost her pole, Daria let her go ahead, instead of trying to get past. Here's a heartwarming moment when soccer player Robin van Persie shakes hands with every mascot before a game in Feyenoord. Soon after that game, the 35-year-old athlete ended his playing career, during which he scored 357 goals. During the team's grand entrance to the pitch, soccer player Thiago Silva noticed that the mascot accompanying him was shivering, but not for long. And here is a lighthearted prank played on the former Arizona Cardinals striker Kurt Warner, who became a TV presenter after he retired as a player. Olympic medalist Abel Mutai was in the lead during a race in Spain. But 10 meters before the finish, he suddenly stopped thinking he already crossed the line. Athlete Ivan Fernandez Anaya was right behind the Kenyan runner, but instead of taking advantage of the situation and taking him over, he pushed Abel to the finish line, allowing him to finish first. Hockey star Mitch Marner noticed a girl with a poster among the audience. And after the game, he gave her his puck, making his little fan very happy. This soccer player sighed with relief when the girl took out a handkerchief instead of a card. And this athlete came first in a race, but gave his victory away to the legendary Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt as a sign of respect for his achievements. In January 2014, the world lost one of the greatest soccer players, Eusebio da Silva Ferreira. The 9 goals he scored during